Combo B. I'm gonna do a little bit of paint in each cup. Everyone, are we ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Make sure you're sitting, because this is like a little stressful. This is where all the pressure is. You mess this up, you mess the whole DIY. Just kidding, it's not that serious. But like, don't mess up. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, she pretty. So we're just gonna swirl it around. Ooh, look at that middle part, it's so good. Ah! Too much. Oh, this is a good one. Wow, pretty! Honestly, if you chose combo A, you messed up, because combo B is where it's at. Did this magically get a little bit better when we let this dry? Okay guys, last decision of the day. I'm exhausted, you're exhausted. We've made so many decisions today, but most importantly, what are we doing for dinner? Cooking, cooking, or takeout! Takeout! That sounds really good, right? We worked really hard today. Cooking is like, oh no, it's okay, but like, yo, like honestly, don't do me like that. We deserve this. We deserve this, guys. Option B.